My company is Pen Rita Embroidery and T-shirts. I do embroidery, and I do my technologies that I'm using is the embroidery and also direct the garment. We sell to different people, where I'm selling to golf courses, regular people, friends, of course. And as word of mouth is moving out, I'm selling to selling safety gear, schools, of course, leagues, little leagues, and every. So we're branching out, and as word of mouth is moving, we're starting to get more customers. The reason I chose to get into heat applied graphics was I went to my first trade show, and I happened to take a class I seen on the class list to take for educational purposes was cut it, weed it, and heat it. I knew nothing about, but get into a vinyl cutter, and I just took it. And when I went into the class, I was very impressed with the instructor there, Josh Ellsworth, what he had done with the vinyl. I never knew it existed, and I knew immediately that it was another thing that I wanted to be able to do with my embroidery and also direct the garment business. Now, instead of just doing embroidery alone or direct the garment alone or heat applied graphics alone, I'm able to combine all three technologies into apparel that I think, in my vision, that people will like also. For example, what I'm talking about, here's what I do. Usually I was just doing this, as you see, the gray alone, but as you see the red in here now, here's the heat applied graphics. I could do either the gray alone, or I can just do where you see the red and the silver alone. Now I'm able to do, for this example, all two technologies together, as you see here, to give a shirt a whole new different dimension. Another example that I'm talking about is this hoodie right here. Here we are. We got a hoodie here. What you see in this graphic right here, the grayish patterns right here underneath, is the direct the garment. And then we also have the running stitches with the embroidery that I can also bring in. And as you see the red and the silver strips here, now that's what the heat applied graphics brought to my business too, to give it more dimension. The most impressive things that I found is the versatility that it gives you. First of all, here's another example. I got two different garments here, a hoodie and a shoe. Say, for instance, I came up with something in my mind that night. I wanted to color coordinate. It's easily applied. This can be done in a matter of 30 minutes, and I wanted to color coordinate. Here I went to a hoodie. I've applied different graphics with colors, and also I've applied it to a shoe. So I'm matching with my shirt, whatever color pants I have on, and my shoes now. The quality how with Ray heat applied graphics is beyond words. It's great. Heat applied graphics with the technologies that I could per se Stalls is creating, that I've came in contact with, totally changed my mind and the preconceived notions that I had about heat applied graphics. Before, everything that I seen in the store was this big square plastic thing on the front of your shirt that you always had sweat up under it because the shirt was never able to breathe. With this new technology and the new finishes on the shirt, I'm able to create graphics like this that bends with the material, as you see like that before. That didn't even happen. And as you can see, this finished material here with a foil, especially putting it on dark shirts, especially for women apparel, that has the shiny graphics to it that you see reflecting. You didn't get that before with the heat applied transfer graphics. And also with the performance apparel that you see all the professional football players wear. I mean, the things that you specifically seen them at the combines, if they had on the black shirt with offensive line with the line and the numbers up under it. How these heat applied graphics, as you can see here, is able to stretch with the material. And I just tell anybody, go and try to apply that with the old heat transfer material that you had. You can't do that.